Okay, check it out. What kind of very straight lines what we had like January 1st, 4th and 5th, and there was this huge heavy rains with snowstorms. Here we have like the Mars, Moon and Earth, yes. And it was 1st January, and there was like the Manchester huge heavy rains and floods. And this was straight, this line. I can show you like lines with these gas planets like what we have here, Jupiter and Uranus. You can see there is Uranus and of course there is Jupiter. It was not straight, and usually these lines with the Earth, Moon and some planet, it's going that way, that there is no straight lines. This was not straight. There is like the Uranus, and if we put this Moon and Earth straight, Uranus is over there. It was not straight. Alright, here we have like the Venus, behind Venus, Saturn and Neptune, and you can see these lines are much more straight what was this like with Uranus and Pluto, yes. Venus, it was 3rd January, and there was like Earth, Moon and Venus. And after that, soon 4th January, we had an extremely straight line with Earth, Moon and Saturn. Saturn was behind Moon like 1 hour. And also Saturn was exactly behind Moon's center, where is this biggest pressure. And like the Earth center have a pressure, there's coming this most massive and density dark energy particle from center of Earth and center of Moon and center of Saturn. And that's why there was very strong activation with dark energy, like 4th January. And then was this snowing start, you know. And after that, one day, and we had a line again, it's not was so straight what was with Saturn, but it was quite straight with Neptune, Earth, Moon and Neptune. And these kind of lines with Saturn and Neptune, there was like from October, every 2 weeks or 13 days. And there was like the heavy rains and floods middle of France, 40 years record. And after that, Valencia, over 200 people dying because of these lines and these heavy rains and floods. Also, sun was very active, you know. And this is works also. This energy which coming from sun, when sun have this kind of sunburst, sunspot and these kind of storms, there's coming this energy that way where is Earth. This activation also Earth. That's why there is this kind of heavy rains and floods and volcanoes activation happening also end of 2024. But now there was more activation because of these very straight lines. Okay, what happening after Valencia? There was a 13 days and Malacca, huge heavy rains and floods. And after that 13 days. And Malacca, it was Wales. After that 13-40 days and these South Europe huge snowstorms. And again after 13-14 days, 2 times December, very heavy snowstorms South Europe. And what happened like these what we had here now? It was like 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, yes, this heavy snowstorms, USA, England, Holland, also there's coming like Norway, Sweden, and finally here in Finland. Now we check out what's happening after that, you know. There's coming more, I can promise you, these kind of straight lines, you know. Let's check out what we have like the 13th January, there is Moon, Earth and Sun. So we have like full moon, but this is not straight. This is not works hard because there is like not like a moon eclipse, you know. Mercury and Pluto and there is also, but don't worry about these. Just check out what we have here. Yes, this coming soon after full moon. Yes, this is great. This is great. This works hard. Just remember 13, 14 and also 15, because this is not all what happened in 13, 14 and 15 January, but this is great. Earth, Moon and Mars. Check out what we have more. Yes, we go in here, we check out Mars, okay, and there is Sun and Earth is between. Mars and Sun. It's, I think it's like a 15 or 16. And this is quite straight, I think. This line is quite straight, but of course it's not exactly, you can see. Sometimes that this is not so straight, but this is. But this is quite straight. And because there was like a full moon, and this other system like a 14. This is straight, this is straight, this works hard. This works very hard, yes. So remember 13th, 14th and 15th and 16th day. There's coming a lot of snow. Somewhere I think heavy rains and floods. Volcano activism works hard also. Maybe earthquakes also. Who knows, maybe tornadoes also works, because there is reason for that, but let's keep looking more, because there's coming even more. There's coming more, yes, I know, because this line with Mars, it's going to be very straight February 9. So before February 9 there is this kind of system like 28th January. We have this straight line Moon, Earth and Mars. It's coming when you just move in. Yes. Okay, anyway, let's keep on going, because 14 Mars, there's coming something exactly amazing. But don't forget these Mercury, Pluto, Ceres, yes, Saturn. We have to check these all three planets, you know, because these work hard February 1st and 2nd, I think, yes, because there is Saturn and this is still quite straight, this line, not anymore so straight, but was 4th January, but it works hard. And there is waiting Neptune and Venus. Check it out, check it out. What's coming then next? Yes, these lines with Moon and Earth, it's going to be between this Neptune and Venus. This is going to be very strong activation. 1st January and 2nd, January to February, yes. 1st February and 2nd February. Just remember these, and then we check out this 9th February. This is going to be strong activation because of Mars, Earth, Moon and Mars is behind Moon like over 1/2 hour. Let's remember, February 9, more activation. More inside pressure for Earth inside, because this dark energy particle can move through each other again and again. What we have after that? It's coming, of course, something interesting how it's going this Mars later, when Earth is between Mars and Moon. It's coming like 24th February, yes. Very straight line still. Usually these lines with the Moon and Earth, it is not that straight. 24th. Okay, what's after that? Okay, these three planets still together. No, it's Mercury now. Where is Venus? Venus is over there. But wait a minute, Mars. Now we have Neptune and Mercury together here. And how straight is this line? These three planets works together hard, and it's going to be like the Mars. But you can see these lines with Saturn and Neptune. It's not straight anymore at all. But it still works. But because it's more straight what you see first, like with Uranus and Jupiter. This works, I think, yes, but this Mercury is more good for this system, yes. And then we're going to check out this 14th Mars. This is going to be huge. Because we have a full moon with moon eclipse. You see, there is straight line. Moon, Earth and Sun, and looky. Saturn, Neptune, Mercury also coming later. This is going to be, just remember, Mars 14. This is going to be something extraordinary because the Sun energy from that way where is like Saturn and Neptune. It works with this dark energy and there's happening like activation. Also Sun energy works with Moon and Earth energy which going that way where is Neptune and Saturn. And this dark energy is already activated in a strong way because of Sun energy. And there's coming more activation what normal. Just remember, 14th Mars. I tell you, this is something. Remember, 14th Mars.